Lakwe!
Wagwan, me people.
I say still heat.
Yo, Wagwan, me people, me day Uprising Festival. So, this is Uprising Festival. It's a reggae festival in Bratislava. So, me day and me go look for some Jamaican food because me did hear there are some Jamaican people there, and they might have some Jamaican food, and I really hope that it's gonna be Ital food because me a Ital girl. So let's have a look what food they have here. Obviously, loads of fun on this festival. Loads of famous people, loads of reggae artists, loads of dancehall artists, even hip hop artists, many different kind of artists. Yesterday, Max Romeo, he was just amazing. And today, me I go see Empress Sativa. So big up the Empress Sativa. She go be there. So here are some more stores. Yes, me people. One love people. Where are F? Oh, the Jamaican food there. You want? Oh,
Specialty of the beef special.
Oh, wow. Vegan Ackee. Look beautiful. Wow, looks amazing. So, I will have. You have the vegetarian plate. You have the vegetarian plate?
Vegetarian, yes.
Yes. Can I have a look how we cooking? Can? Wow. So what do you have in here? Festival?
Yeah, we're making the festival.
Be
Wow.
careful, it's a hot.
Yeah, hot aisle. Hot pot, me know. Me are careful. Yeah, me I go get the festival.
Yes.
Amazing. Plantain.
Plantain, yes.
Yes, me I go get some. Wow.
The rice and beef cooking in there.
Wow, you have a big pot for rice and peas.
Yeah.
So what is the name of your shop?
We party.
Okay.
Yeah, we sell parties as well, innit?
Yes, do you have a website?
Facebook, hot party.
Hot Party Facebook. So me I go put link in the video, yeah? Yeah.
That's all. We're just making sure they're on the sweep for the end.
Wow, amazing. Yes. So me I go try your Ackee.
And you know the place hot.
Yes, because it's hot oil and everything.
Today is hot.
Yes, it's a hot day today.
The kitchen hot.
Nearly like in Jamaica, right?
Yes. This is like riverside cooking.
Yeah. So which part of Jamaica you come from?
Odawa.
Sorry?
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine. Wow. So is it like a countryside?
It's
Wow.
beachside. It's a fishing village.
Fisher village. Wow. That must be a nice place. That must be a really amazing place.
You get the fish, fresh seafood.
Wow, amazing. Yeah. What I like about Jamaican food mostly is Ital food. I like the vegetables and how people cook.
Yeah.
You know, the ingredients what they use.
Guys, I went to church.
Jerk chicken. Woo! Jerk chicken. But it's not ready yet. You just put it. You just put it here.
Show the chicken.
You just put it there, right?
Million in a 1 in a million.
And there is some?
No, this one no. No yet.
Not yet. Not yet. So this is the price list here.
You get a video for who?
This is from the front. This
Okay. May I go show it from the front? One love vegan food. Jerk chicken, rice, peas, jerk chicken. Yeah. But me I go for the Ackee. Yeah. Alright then. Everything there. by card as well. Yes? Wow. My favorite food, Jamaican food. Yeah. Rice and peas, everything. Everything Ital. Yeah. And there is shop next door. So what do you say then? All the Jamaican things them? Oh, this dress looks good. So please, Ackee for me.
So what you would do, like dumplings or Rastaman?
How would you like do some plate like this? You know, like little bit rice and peas. One festival, a little bit of this and that.
So some rice and peas?
Yes, please. Wow.
That's enough?
Enough, yes, please.
Then dumplings?
Yes, please.
It's a festival.
Amazing.
Plantain?
Yes, please. We love plantain. All the Jamaican Ital food, me love.
Then
And the Ackee. Woo! That looks beautiful already. And look at the Ackee. Woo! That is beautiful. Wow. That looks amazing. Can I get a little bit of some spicy sauce up on the side,
hot
please?
sauce.
Yeah, man. You like it hot? Give thanks.
No problem. So this is for pepper sauce. So this is the pepper sauce.
Right.
This is a fresh from home. Scotch bonnet, of course.
Yes, wow.
So you show me.
Put a little bit upon the plate, please. Wow, thank you.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Yeah.
One love plate. Alright, may I go pay a big car? May I go touch?
Oh, you don't have cash? Cash better for us.
It's better? Alright then.
Cash is always good.
Because it's you. For me it's worse because I need to, because you know I have like different cards. I need to change the pounds to the euros and this.
Oh, okay.
No, they are amazing, amazing food. Wow, I'm looking forward to it. Wow. Oh, me never try Ackee in ages. Me never have Ackee in ages. Oh wow, me love it. Amazing, me love it. Give thanks. Give thanks. So so the name of your shop again, so I can give the link. Hand patty.
Yeah.
All right. Give thanks. Bless up. Bye. Wow. So let's try this plate now. Let's try this food now. Woo. Yeah, man. Everything good. One love plate. Hello, Andrea. Wow. Look at this
so good.
food. So me I go try it now. Yeah. Look, there is festival, there is plantain, fried plantain, rice and peas, hot sauce with scotch bonnet, and of course Ackee. Whoa! I can't wait to try this.
Enjoy.
Oh, I love Ackee. That's my favorite food.
Nice? Yeah, nice.
Oh wow, it's amazing. Great.
Great,
Tastes
yeah.
great. Tastes very nice. And with the plantain. Okay, so for who you don't know what Ackee is, I'm gonna explain it. It is a vegetable which grows in Jamaica. not only in Jamaica, in Africa also, but only in Jamaica they make it into a food because it can be poisonous for people who don't know how to deal with it. So Jamaican people know how to deal with it. You hear that? So that's ackee. Ackee is a vegetable on the tree. When people pick up ackee, they have to take out the seed there and they have to cook it. So it tastes like vegetable, like a buttery. It's a buttery vegetable, which when you put it in your mouth, it's like so buttery and nice, and with the vegetables with it and the rice, it tastes amazing. Wow, and the festival is a Jamaican dumpling. It's kind of sweet. Let's taste this one. A real Jamaican festival. May I tell you that? Look. It's like a fried dough. You have to put milk and you have to put cinnamon and nutmeg. Yeah. Everything amazing. Tastes great. Oh, I'm going to try the egg sauce now. So, see the egg sauce? I'm going to have it a little bit with the rice. So hot. Woo! I like it hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, there is like pretty scotch bonnets inside. That is hot. That's why she put just a little piece like this. It's really, really hot. I'm burning. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this food. The best food for me. I'm so happy that I was able to purchase it on this festival. Uprising Reggae Festival. Big ups. Big ups to this food. Big ups to the lady that cooked it. You are amazing cook. Amazing. Give thanks. One love. Bless up. Ja Rastafari.